I think Emerson is an incredibly unique place. When I met the students, I had the sense that these were the brightest, most incredible, motivated, high achieving, creative, unique a group of students I had ever talked to. We hope that when they come here, they are looking forward to having this incredible experience that they will never forget. We have WEBN, which is the TV station. It's really the cream of the crop. The students are so involved in that, not only in journalism, but from the other majors as well. We are the only college in the country that specializes in communication and the arts with a strong liberal arts background. And that makes all the difference. And it makes us the best in what we do. We have been so successful as a school, I think, because of not only the hard work that the faculty, but also they are very innovative the way they approach teaching and the opportunities they also, because of their connections with the industry, the students get a lot of hands-on experiences. And we understand that students are coming from different places in their lives. And we are working with that uniqueness of the students to produce something that is really extraordinary. Because of our connections to the industry, we can offer also a degree of professionalism that is really incredible and unique for the students. The thing that I hear the most is how grateful the students are with the relationships that they develop with the faculty. Because of the size of Emerson, we are able to develop that close relationship with the students that opens a lot of doors for them. And we really care for their growth as an individual, as a person, and we care for their professional growth, in which we inspire the students to be agents for change. And our mission is really to serve them, and to serve them by offering the best program in the country.